Hi guys, let us discuss the top IT updates for this particular week. The first update is coming from TCS side, which is one of the biggest IT company not only in India but the entire world. The first update is that TCS has won one more client, that is Tottenham Hotspur, which is a football club basically who wants to transition to a digital world and they want TCS to help them in this transformation. And that is the reason TCS is one of the biggest bidders, wherein TCS is getting a lot of clients from UK's area. Okay, now, earlier UK was part of the European Union, but now it is not, and that is the reason now there are some easier norms that have been encountered that TCS is encountering, and that is the reason it becomes easier for TCS to get more and more deals from UK. The second important update is coming again from TCS, wherein they have started going for the off campus, or I would say on campus drives. TCS has now recently got around 1320 offers they have put down to KLU university students, and this is going to be a good news for freshers because if TCS is going to campuses, then TCS will also conduct off campus drives, and that is where a lot of people want to pay attention, because if you are a fresher, if you are someone who is looking for job, then this is going to be a good news. The next important update is coming from HCL side. HCL has recently won a 1.1 billion dollar, let me repeat, 1.1 billion dollar deal from 2026 to 2031, wherein they will be helping for the AI led services, AI led transformation, and AI led digital solutions for Daimler AG. Now, if you don't know Daimler AG, then you might already know about Mercedes Benz. The parent company of Mercedes Benz is Daimler AG, which is a German manufacturer or a brand who is having like its presence in finance, in automobile manufacture, in commercial vehicle manufacture, and a lot of other things. They have their own digital team also available, but now they have ditched Infosys, who were handling their digital things, all the digital infrastructure and a lot of things, right? They were given contracts to Infosys for last 15 20 years, but now they have given this particular deal for 4 or 5 years to HCL Technologies. Now this is going to be a turning point because both of the companies are listed in the stock market, and if you look at the Infosys share, it tanked around 7 to 8%, okay, in the Indian stock market. Along with that, wherein HCL Technologies got this particular deal, their share price rose around 6% on the stock exchange. If you want, you can go and check that out as well. The next important update is coming from Wipro. So basically, a Delhi based employee who was working in Wipro for more than 5.5 years, around almost 6 years, right? That employee got a HR call, okay? And that HR mentioned that your role is now redundant and you may leave the company now. The employee mentioned that particular scenario on an Instagram video, and that employee also mentioned that by God's grace, they fired me before I put down my papers because I did not have that guts to put down the papers. And this is with a lot of people who have started businesses, people who have started teaching, people who have started content creation. All these are the people who were laid off from their company and they were not able to put down the papers just because they had this kind of passion. So this is a sincere request to everyone who is working in the IT sector, that if you feel that you will be able to sustain on your content creation business or your freelancing thing, or if you are not happy with your job and there is something that you want to start off your own, like a business, a startup or something like that, please go ahead. There are a lot of funds that are available, that is provided by the government also, which will help you to incubate your startup, incubate your business, or even start off with your content creation journey. If you need any help from our side, we will also help you in that aspect with the distribution channels that we have built on Telegram, on LinkedIn, or I would say even on YouTube for that matter. Okay, please reach out to us if you need any help, any suggestion, any comments. If you have any suggestions for us also, please let us know in the comment section. We will happily answer all your questions. We will happily take all the suggestions from all our subscribers and our viewers. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope you all have a great day.